Look at everything there is to see and do, and don't miss the ones that are hidden. Remember, there are cranes behind the stage. There are cranes off in side rooms. You really got to look for it all to see everything there is. From the smallest in Z scale all the way up to the garden scale up behind the stage. Look, see, and do it all. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Glad to have you with us. Enjoy the ride. We would also like to remind you that there are concessions available here in the building on the southwest corner of the building. They got hot dogs over here, they got soft drinks, they got apple beer, they have popcorn, nachos, kinds of good things. So if you're hungry or thirsty, hot or cold drinks, they're available southwest corner of the building. Concession window. Concessions are still open. Plenty of food. It's hot or it's cold. So come and get it right now, and welcome to Trade Show 2011.
You about ready to go? So cool.
I guess.
Where?
That'll be good later when you're like, man, how did that look? You know?
Yeah, or later like, what did I do?
Yeah. How did I do that?
Or just, you know, what have I done? Why did I get rid of it? You know?
That'd be the horrible thing, watching it.
I've already thought about it. I have no regrets, you know? Yeah,
That's good.
I build them and sell them. That's what I do.
All the rolling stock is yours.
Yeah, that's stuff's like baseball cards, you know.
Yeah. Talk here.
No, it's fine. This is all gonna go in editing and everything anyway, so.
You edit out the sounds?
Yeah, I'll take bits and pieces.
Really good at graffiti. You're a graffiti artist.
I have no live experience. Come on, I'm friends with Chad Lethal. I can't have you.
Have you heard about some kids at the Orem Mall? They're doing graffiti art in there.
I haven't, no.
I got a G-Skill car. I really want to get some graffiti on it.
Oh, really? I hand draw mine.
Hand draw?
Yeah, I hand draw graffiti.
Do you have any on your?
Yeah, you go look on Banana Pancake.
BananaPancake.com?
No, Banana Pancake on YouTube.
Oh, on YouTube. Okay,
Like just type in Banana Pancake or type in Model Train for Sale. I'm Banana Pancake.
Oh, you're
click,
Banana.
Click,
Okay.
yeah, click on my user,
Okay.
and then you'll see some cars that got graffiti on them in a layout. So.
Think you'll be able to help me with that G-Skill car?
Yeah.
Okay. We go grab some. Did you grab a sandwich already?
Yeah, I did.
Dan and I were talking about it. No, everybody's on board with their females and their betters. Yeah, so what's going on? This train. Hey, I'm done. I'm done.
So that's right. There's a place you can take a picture of bridges and everything. That's carrying truck trailers, huh? Come over and look at this one, buddy.
Are you taking off for the day?
No, I'm up there. We'll see it by the end of the show then.
Oh, okay. I think they're shutting us down at 6, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like what, 2 hours? 2 hours or something?
I ain't got to watch.
Yeah. Oh man, going in.
People on the other side? Oh, look at that. A miniature train. Where? Look at that. Oh, look, little teeny ones right there. See ya? Oh my goodness.